Hi, my team is offering a free WordPress installation for all our viewers. As a part of this service, we'll do a free WordPress installation, which will also include all the proven plugins, which helps to improve your search engine ranking. And we'll do all these things within 24 hours of time. So the main motive of this WordPress installation free of cost is mainly to ensure that technology is never a hindrance for any person to take his or her ideas or views to the world. So that's why we are offering you a WordPress installation which is completely free of cost. Now I'll explain you how to do it. Okay, so if you want to start a blog of your own, or if you want to have a website of your own, then the first thing that you need to do is to have a domain name. And for my personal use and for my company use, the site that I follow is Namecheap, namecheap.com. So here you can see that I have given you the I have shown you the domain name here, and also in the description also is there, so that you can directly click the link and go. For now I'll just show you how to do it. So I'll just go to the site namecheapcoupons.com. So this will take me to the Namecheap site, and here you can see that it is giving me a page which is asking me to choose my domain name. So I'll just choose a name which is something like my own business website.com. Here you can see a drop down arrow. So this arrow is asking you if you are eager for some other extension also in case .com is not available. So let's say I am okay with .info and .net and .org. Once I have selected it, I just say okay, and then I'll say search. So what it'll do is that it will give me a list of domain name which are available for me. So here you can see that the available domain names are my own business website.net, .org and .info, and here is the pricing, $10.69 per year, and here there is an offer which is like 3.9 per year. So you can directly select which one you want. Like if I just want to go for .net, then I will just select .net and deselect other options, and I'll just say add to cart and then go from here to book the domain name. Okay, so this is the first step where we have booked the domain name. Then the next step that comes is to uh, go for a web host. So a web host is a company that gives the service which hosts your website. So that will have all the files related to your website. So that will host your website basically. So for my website, I prefer going to hostgator.com because this is a very reliable web hosting service. And uh, for booking, while booking through hostgator.com, few things that I take care what I do is that I have got a couple of coupons here you can see. So one is magical 1 cent and the other one is 8 Gbps 25 less. So these are the coupons that I generally use while booking through hostgator.com, which gives me real good discount. So a magical 1 cent is for HostGator baby plan, and this coupon GVPS 25 less is for 25% off on any HostGator package. I'll just show you what are these. So for that, what we'll do is that we'll go to hostgator.com, and once you come here, I can directly go to view web hosting plans. So here you can see that there are three different kinds of plans: hatchling plan, baby plan, and business plan. Well, hatchling plan is for those users who want only one domain to be hosted. But if I'm interested for multiple domains to be hosted through the same web hosting service through the same plan, then probably I'll go for baby plan. So let's say I am looking for baby plan. So I'll just go and say order now. Now here in this page you can see two different things, like one is for register a new domain and the other one is currently have a new domain. We already have registered our domain through Namecheap, so that's why we have a domain name in place with us, so we can completely ignore this section. We can directly choose this section. So I'll just say my domain is kumarsetu.com. So I'll just select kumarsetu.com. Here you can see that they have already mentioned a coupon code summer. You can as well use summer, but the problem is that here you get only 20% off. So we have like what I use is much better a deal than this. So that's why I always prefer to use magical 1 cent if I'm going for a 1 month plan, and HGVPS 25 less if I'm going for a plan which is for a longer period. So I'll just show you the difference. Let's say I am choosing magical 1 cent here, and I'll just say continue to step 2. So here I have selected 1 month. So for 1 month the charge is 9.95, and just go down. Here you need to uncheck these also if you don't want. And here you can see that the package for 1 month cycle is 9.95, and the coupon credit that the for because of magical 1 cent I got 9.94 off. So I end up in paying just 1 cent for my first month. So billing, so that means just by paying 1 cent I got a hosting service. So this is pretty good if you want to host your website for 1 month. But if you want to host a website, let's say I'm going for a 6 month package, in that case again, the if you apply the coupon code, the discount is 9.95, the same discount. So if I'm going for a higher package which is for more number of months, then obviously I'm looking for better discount. So in this case what I'll do is that I'll use the other coupon which is HGVPS 25 less. So I'll go here and I'll apply the coupon. Now I'll choose 6 months and I'll see the magic now. You see here, your bill was 59.70, your package cost for 6 months is 59.70, but when you apply the coupon you are getting a discount of $14.92, which is as good as $15. So this is very good a deal. So definitely I'm going for this one, VPS 25 less. So this is how you can get discount while booking your domain. While booking your web hosting through HostGator. So as per your plan, whether you want to go for 1 month cycle or you want to go for 6 months or more than that, you can choose your coupon. Fine. So now you have got the domain name, you have got the web hosting service. What comes next? Next is your free WordPress installation part, which is our job. Now your job is finished, but just one step that you have to do is that you need to send us the domain name, the cPanel login, and the cPanel password. So these are the three things which we will require from you to uh, install the WordPress for you. And if you are completely new to all this and you are not aware of all those details, then just forward the email that you receive from HostGator. Like after you go for the web hosting service from through HostGator, you'll be getting an email. So forward that email to the ID that you can see in your screen, support@kumarsetu.com. So once you forward this your mail that you have got from HostGator to this ID, will automatically extract the details whatever we need, and then we'll do a WordPress installation completely free for you, including all the plugins those are needed for search engine ranking. So just to summarize, what you have to do is that you have to book a domain through Namecheap, and then book a web hosting service through HostGator using any suitable coupon so that you get good discount. Then send us the domain name, cPanel login, and password details. Same to support@kumarsetu.com. If you're not sure about how to get the cPanel login, password, or anything uh, out of these three details, then you can forward the email that you have got from HostGator to support@kumarsetu.com. And after all this, what you are getting? You are getting a WordPress installation which is completely free of cost, that will be doing for you. You did not bother about what is happening at the back end and how to make it up and running. All those things will do for you. And a very major part of WordPress installation is the SEO related plugins, because you just don't want to be in the cyber world. You want other people to know that you are there. You want other people to know about your existence. So you also need the SEO presence. So for that you need the SEO related plugins, which we have uh, already, like we already know what all plugins you need from our SEO experience. So those plugins also will install for you, and everything, all these things, including the WordPress installation and the SEO related plugin installation, everything will happen within 24 hours of your time. So within 24 hours your website can be up and running. So you are just left with one part: fill up the information that is needed to be the body of your website. That's all. So why to wait? You can just forward all your details. I mean, just book a domain, book the web hosting service, forward the mail, and we'll do the free WordPress installation. Okay, so just looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. Bye bye.